So my beautiful porcelain looking toilet is also a victim of my very poor spray painting abilities. So they call it crazing, again, for all the reasons I mentioned the last time. I'm sure this case was high heat and over application. So I actually buffed it like I said and resprayed it, but it's super scratched and who knows how comfortable that'll be when you're doing your business. And so we actually took our very last trip to Home Depot today and we got ourselves an American made toilet seat. So this is the cheapest one actually for like $5 something. We're gonna see if this city girl can install a toilet seat herself.
Maddie just learned.
Shush! Don't!
But there are bolts underneath these guys, so if
I kept unscrewing and I asked Paul, how long is this screw?
I guess it lasts forever if you don't hold on to the bottom. And now she knows.
The highlight of this whole project is a home for the babies. While Baba's hard at work putting the finishing touches.
All right, master bedroom is completely done. Those shades are in, all the lights are in, and the kids are overwhelmed with excitement that we might be able to move in tomorrow. All these shades are in. Ryan was attacking Mama's face. That's the kids' room with their ladder. Oh yeah, sink is in. And we're just gonna put in the tile tomorrow. And all these are set up.